Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do weekly love reading for Taurus Earth sign for the month of November, and this is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your messages, Taurus. And your first card for the reading is Ten of Swords, King of Wands, the Emperor. Yeah. Some cycles are going to be end between you and your person. Ten of Swords. Some cycles, some new beginnings, some new cycles are going to be start. And King of Wands. Excuse me. King of Wands. One person in this connection stand by their power. And Emperor. I think it's you. Taurus, you are very passionate about your person, and you very committed, and you are very loyal in this connection. But I think in past you could be feel like this. Now you overcome this pain, and now you are becoming like the Emperor and the King of Wands. You stand by your power, and the Emperor. You become like this for some. So let's see your messages. More messages. Then we will get clarity. Devil. Two of Pentacles. Tower. Yes. Yes. So your person could be Capricorn also. I think one person in this connection is juggling Two of Pentacles. They may be juggling between the career and you, or you may be juggling in this connection. Energy could be vice versa. Take what resonate and leave the rest. Yeah, some tower moment is happened, and it is going to be happen between both of you. I think you overcome this pain and becoming like the Emperor. I think you both are obsessed with each other. The devil energy is here, or your person may be obsessed with you, or one person in this connection could be addicted to bad habits. Some tower moment is going to place, or it already happened. But juggling, one person is juggling in this connection. Let's see some. King of Cups, Queen of Wands, the Moon. Your person could be Pisces also. Definitely, I think King of Cups, you have strong emotions. Queen of Wands, King of Wands and Queen of Wands, I think you both are passionate about each other. Definitely you are very passionate, and there is a lot of attraction between both of you, because King of Wands and Queen of Wands is here. And the Moon, definitely there are some disturbances between both of you. One person maybe hide something from you. I think your person maybe hide something from you. Pisces, some disturbances between both of you. And King of Cups, you both have strong emotions for each other. You both are very passionate about each other, but one person is juggling in this connection. Who? So let's see some more. Justice, Three of Pentacles, Eight of Swords. Yeah, one person right now stuck. Eight of Swords. It could be you or your person. Three of Pentacles and Justice. So one person asking second chance in this connection, and Three of Pentacles, there is no collaboration in past. There is no partnership between both of you. Now I think your person want partnership. They want to collaboration with you now. They want second chance. I think it could be your person, Taurus. They want second chance, but literally they are stuck right now. They are thinking about second chance. They are willing to work on this relationship, but right now they are stuck. And there are a lot of disturbances between both of you, because the Moon is here. So let's see your person current feelings and then near future actions. Then we will get more clarity. And your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, lot of air energy, Aries, Leo, Sag, fire energy, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, as Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. All energies here, but lot of air energy is here. So let's see your person current feelings towards you first. Oh, lot of. Knight of Swords, Ace of Cups, and Queen of Wands. Yeah. Definitely they are want to rushing towards you, and Ace of Cups, they love you so much, and they think you that You stand by your power and they treat you like an empress. Definitely. Queen of Wands, you stand by your power. Definitely they know it. That's why they don't want to miss you in their life. They want to rushing towards you. Knight of Swords. Some communication also. Yeah, they love you. Ace of Cups is here. Definitely they want to come towards you. So let's pull their actions towards you. Yeah, King of Cups 2 times. I think it's your person. Definitely your person has strong emotions for you. Taurus. Excuse me, sorry. The Hierophant. Wow. Yeah, they want to offer commitment this time. Hierophant, marriage. For some, they want to propose you, they want to marry you. King of Cups with the Hierophant, definitely commitment is coming in your way. And the Strength card, definitely you or your person could be Leo. They are gaining their strength to come towards you and offer this commitment. Definitely they have strong emotions and they are coming with solid offer, marriage proposal. I am getting. Yeah, they're back. They want you back and they're coming back. If you're in separation, if you're not in separation, definitely your love life is going to be next level, because they want to marry you. They want to offer stability and commitment to this connection. If you are in separation, definitely your person wants second chance with you. Sorry guys. So let's see where this connection is headed in near future from the universe. Ten of Cups, Nine of Pentacles, one person is not talking to the other person right now in this connection, because Four of Swords is thinking about the other person a lot but not talking at the right time. And Ten of Cups with Nine of Pentacles, definitely one person want to offer Ten of Cups energy to this connection, happiness to this connection. They want success with you. I think Taurus, you are the working on yourself. Nine of Pentacles with Four of Swords, definitely you are working on yourself. You are thinking about your person a lot and you are working on yourself. Your person coming back to you, they want success with you and they want to offer this Ten of Cups. Definitely this connection is going to be next level. So they want to, I think your person want to work on this relationship. Taurus, Eight of Swords, right now they may be stuck. In near future, definitely they will come towards you and offer this long-term commitment to you. Taurus, yeah. So Taurus, let's see your overall energy for the week. Two of Cups, Knight of Cups, Judgment. Yeah, you are also going to make some major decision in your life. And Knight of Cups, you also have strong emotions for your person. Two of Cups, definitely you both love each other. You also love your person. Still you are working yourself. That is the attraction is here. That is the attraction. Yeah, you also have strong emotions. Definitely this connection will get success. Definitely both reconcile in this connection. And your person overall energy for the week is Two of Wands, Two of Pentacles and the Devil. Yeah, the one person who juggling, it's your person. We got answer at the end of the reading. Definitely it's your person. And the Devil energy is also your person. Maybe your person obsessed with you. You or your person could be Capricorn also. Definitely your person has to make some decision. They are thinking about you a lot. Two of Wands. Yes. This could be long distance relationship also. Yes, your person want to take decision. Yes, they have to, because Two of Pentacles is 2 times juggling. So this connection is based on their decision, because you invest in this connection. You already worked on this connection, so it's your person turn to work on this relationship. Yeah, they choose you. Definitely they made a decision this time. There is no more juggling in near future. Definitely they will come towards you. They are rushing towards you. They found strong emotions for you. They know your worth now. Definitely they want to offer marriage and they want to offer their cup of love to you. They are gaining their strength back to come towards you. Yeah, they're thinking about you a lot. In stuck time, Eight of Swords. Four of Swords. Definitely they are stuck, but in that time also they are thinking about you a lot. Definitely they are coming back with offer. Yes, they are rushing towards you, Taurus. So this is the reading for you, Taurus. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys, and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for the support. Bye.